Oh, hello there. Beautiful people out there, welcome to another dope ass Drunk Mom Reviews. Boy, am I ready to jump into this because I'm so freaking excited to share with you my latest review. This is the Teendow D20S Max Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and I'm gonna show you what it can do for you, okay? As you know, I love a clean house, but sometimes that is just, guys, it is impossible with my two ridiculously cute pugs, okay? With Teendow, I no longer have to worry about that because this is the world's first pet care robot vacuum cleaner. That's right. This is not only a robot vacuum and mop, but it's also a pet grooming service all rolled into one. I'm also loving this chic design. It's so good, people. And look at all these incredible accessories you get with this robot vacuum. You don't get those with other robot vacuums, let's just be honest. Now, let me show you how this bad boy works. I am just so damn impressed that this can groom my dogs that I've got to show you this part first, okay? As you may know, pugs have these short little hairs that shed all over the house. Now, I don't have to worry about that because this dope device takes care of it. Look how easy it is to groom these little beauties is what I meant. With the D20S, these girls actually love it so much. They practically beg for a groom. I mean, look at their cute faces, enjoying their grooming session. And the handle on this device makes it so easy for me to use. Seriously, if I can do it, anyone can. They have 5 different attachments that easily click on, so you pick which one is right for your pet. Yeah. It's even got a little hair clipper, people. Yeah. And it promotes pet hair health by reducing allergens and helping when your dog is that shedding season they have, y'all, whatever that shed. Now, let's get into how this is also a dope robot vacuum and mop to really get this house clean as hell, okay? You can get into any nook or cranny with this device so your lazy ass doesn't have to. It can handle all floor types with ease with its powerful suction of 6,000 PA and its LiDAR navigation, okay? Let's freaking get into it, okay, people? This glorious robot vacuum can vacuum and mop wood, leaving them good enough to eat off the floor if you wanted to do that for some reason. Yeah, and it can get those pesky pet hairs and food off tile and suction like any nasty ass debris that you may have in your carpet. It can even MacGyver its way under your furniture so that gross dust that you can't get at, it can get in there. And now, you might be wondering how this robot vacuum and mop could be so smart. Well, it's got LiDAR navigation, like I mentioned before. What the hell is that, you ask? Well, let me tell you. It has mapping technology, so it accurately maps out your home to know where to go to in each room. It can save up to 5 maps, people. The sensors in this robot have anti-drop and anti-collision, so it can handle any home or toy left behind. Their Teendow smart app can even customize whatever cleaning schedule you may want, and it knows what type of flooring it's dealing with in each room. How crazy smart is that? Okay, most of those other vacuums only have a 4,000 PA suction, but this guy is so strong at 6,000 PA. Such a huge difference. So it can get any single thing in a single pass. And let me show you this fun little party trick I do. I can pour my cocktail on the ground, and this vacuum and mop technology is so good. It can get anything. It is equipped with an electronically controlled water pump and this adjustable 3-level water output to get anything you need, okay? It also can clean up to 150 minutes. So it can clean your whole home in one charge. Then, when you are done, simply have it go back to its charging dock so it is ready for the next clean. And their 3-liter dust bag allows up to 10 weeks of nasty ass debris without needing to empty it. Plus, you don't even need to touch that gross ass dust bag because it has this incredible self-emptying feature on the app. So get your Teendow today to get your house and pets as sparkling clean as mine. Seriously, don't be jealous of this smart clean robot. Just get it, okay? The link is in the caption. Also, subscribe to the best damn YouTube channel in town, while you also like and comment on this epic video. See you next time. That was a lot of words.